In this video, I'm going to be approaching the challenge of how do you deal with family life slash personal life and law school, and how are you going to make sure that you accomplish all of your goals during your time in law school without, you know, falling off your family life slash personal life. So first, we're going to take a look at the problem. The problem is that law school is a formidable opponent who's very challenging and is going to require a lot of your time. While on the other hand, coming into law school, it's likely that you were free, you had a lot of time, you were able to have relationships, you were able to put in a lot of time into different hobbies that you'd enjoyed. And at this time, you're going to have a conflict between your time. How is your time going to be dealt with? So I came up with a 7-step plan that I think would help you guys, which helped me follow my goals and accomplish everything that I wanted to accomplish in terms of balancing family life and law school. So first, step one, you have to ask yourself, what are your goals? What are you trying to accomplish by going to law school? Do you want to excel in law school? Do you want to be at the top of your class? Do you want to continue your personal relationships and grow them? Do you have any significant others that you need to maintain the relationship and grow it? Do you want to continue doing your hobbies and everything that you enjoy? You need to be honest with yourself about what your goals in law school are going to be if you want to achieve success. Next, you're going to have to write down your goals and prioritize your goals. It's likely that you're going to have a lot of different goals, and you really need to ask yourself, how am I going to rank my goals? What's most important to me? Where could I compromise a little bit in order to achieve success in the other goals that I want? Next, I want you guys to formulate a plan of attack. I want you guys to think about, how could I accomplish my goals? How am I going to manage my time? What's going to get in the way of my goals as I begin law school? Is it going to be a time constraint? Is it going to be travel? What's going to be the challenge? And lastly, you're going to want to ask yourself, how am I going to set myself up for success? What can I do to make sure that I excel in my goals? After that, you're going to want to be realistic with yourself. You have to ask yourself, are your goals attainable? Is it possible to accomplish everything that you want to accomplish? Where can I cut corners? In this part, you're going to have to ask yourself, what's realistic? Looking at a day, you have 24 hours. You have to sleep for between 6 and 8 hours. How are you going to accomplish everything that you want to accomplish? You also need time off to relax. So this is also a crucial step. After that, you're going to want to look at the execution of the plan. During this time, you're going to see, how is my progress going? Am I fulfilling my goals? Is my plan of attack working? Am I spending enough time preparing for law school? Am I doing enough to maintain my relationships? Are they getting in the way? You're going to want to see exactly how it's going. After that, you're going to want to modify your execution. Where can I improve? Is my plan working out? How could I get back on track? Do I need to reorder my priorities? Can I speak to people and see what works for them and modify? This is absolutely instrumental for your success. And after that, you're going to come to the last step, which is, after everything is over, you're going to have to reflect. This is super important because this is going to help you grow as a person and become so much more efficient in your work. And you're going to have to take your time first to admire your success. After your first year, after your third year, after you pass the bar, you achieved a lot of success. It was very difficult to do this. But you're also going to have to ask yourself, what worked well and what didn't work well? And how am I going to change that in the future? And lastly, make sure that you're proud of yourself. This was a very difficult job that you did, balancing law school and your personal life. It's not going to get any easier as you get older. You're going to grow. You're going to have a job. But make sure that you take a look at the 7 steps that we went over in this video and know that it's possible and you're going to excel in this. Thank you guys and have a great day.